Along the banks of the Sabine, possibility is taking root. It begins here in Orange, but reaches far beyond. It is found in the hands that build, the hearts that serve, the minds that imagine, and the people who believe in something greater just ahead. Lamar State College Orange was built for those people. Some students arrive with a plan. Others come searching for one. Some are taking their first step. Others are finding the courage to begin again. But every student arrives carrying possibility. From our home in Orange to communities across Texas, we meet students where they are and help them discover what comes next. In classrooms, laboratories, and training spaces, knowledge becomes confidence. Talent becomes skill, and determination becomes opportunity. Here, futures are welded, cared for, designed, and built. Through hands-on learning, dedicated faculty, and partnerships that connect communities across the state, we create pathways from education to opportunity. When one student takes their next step, families grow stronger, communities are transformed, and Texas moves forward with them. One student, one future, one community at a time. Lamar State College Orange, your future, our focus.